Owusu-Agyeman me ma adwo na me ma kwaba emfa wombra Sedea Etea Nie adwumadie so Adom TV so yefrem da che hene na na yawo asante kai se Dominic Isiebu a oman hene kwabra asante chumbere ma esi ohene sampanyifo yi na ombo mechi dombo matonten ma na wotwe wie ya bia metena se na me ne wo edi enkomo ewo Adom TV so na ne ye ba be di enkomo e ya faga na ho ye wura ewura MPP amanyokuo dem na wopepie mu wa MPP amanyokuo mu a se ufa nkrata se wotro MPP abakosem na se sani paye a enne menya pa ho san a meni ne ba twetwe nkomo no se ne din enimu a na se MPP abakosem no atosini enya de a obetumi akan abakosem ebra ombo ne din enka ho Hakman Owusu-Agyeman
Nana nyamiada roma kakra. Dachi hine.
Where you sit, any senior Ghana air courses here no. Upasa we ye division, subtraction, ni addition. Ubakasa Ghana ye kwe nim.
Me dasi michia etie for make me akase yakọ enim wodi fifa kwan ifiba ya yakọ enso ekwan wutu a enkotin sa de bia na ekofom be na akoso na ohwe nyina ka bomu a ne chese Ghana yakọ enim ebi se me wie university no ya me adwuma ka be mfie be nan bi wo ha no me ko adwuma wo United Nations mfie duonu ba ko na mhwe Africa nyina na meti Italy na mhwe Africa nyina itimetimi ahwe Africa mako Africa kuro bi eni wa sebita frache minimum itimi hwe se ne nkofo eko na ekwa yidia yi emum nanka enke betimi akwanim papa nti ekọ kakra ai political ai ekwan na yetu no enko smoothly sa ekofo na ba from ise si atie dia ebia sene o mampani kan no ni mamu ayden kakra nanso ya wa rehiem se o man sene yankofo ti na se ma ye sene asesama no amna ye no yebetimi akoyanim yebetimi akoyanim fi se me de mani hwe kiri ekrafi me de min twaso fi kwa me kroma mrenso na National Union of Ghana Students no HMB General Secretary na Justice Kluje any president ya adwuma no na se ne be na nan ne te se ye chihye Ghana no kakren ko anim ifi ase de na edin kire se omampani kwa me nkroma yo baa no oye adwuma bo Africa bibimam nyina obo ba bia inti say South Africa or say Namibia or say you bia anyone yejma ne mu medu ba bi no ka say opese oye one party state na afi so president for life no ifi ho na tese ne mamu eye din kakra enu an ma Ghana mu chi mienu say po if somebody na we can big six now tell me am kan bum back enom di ko gitumi na ba we si anyini sisi a we se momia ntua bi nkakra eno de nipa de mo di nkomo a nyo bia na ebekọ ba bia ebekọ iti fi ho no ena cheze yen a ye ka se si atua bu na wo ka ese mpese mi kan bi ma mi kan bi aban eno ena ma ye mu pae na cheze ayi matim ho fo ba na CPP fo so ho ba na ebe yi ne ka eye me yakra ni kakra ye ansane ye be ye mfie aduasen ya ide aba so called Fourth Republic Republican rule ya emra na Rollins onu wodi chairman no ye no wa amwa woni parliament woni obia bibia wa na oye to so na as me si dan me si ekwan fi nkran eko Kumasi 6 lanes a one best stop obi anyina ho obi nya enti enu na sa mre no ne kese nya kokuduro ne nya nimdiefo yo mo ye enti me de mi kwa Owusu-Agyeman de so ka pa so ka se ya emre saa mre afie nkru no asahia Yura Rollins ba de omo twie kwa akiri papa na nso tie sansan kwa akiri no na ne ba no kakren na de ba enti ya kwa anim obroni kan se we could have done better.
MPP mo na mo abem hwe de akofo be yeye ene de nanado eye sisi a would you say as a member of the MPP part of the government anye bibi ye ntin aba be do difficulties ye do ya
na de but where is human it e bibi hu a kede ma bi hu a kese no ye di fa baby eni ata anfa fa baby ana ma yi aba na so ba me maami na ka chi won ko school da o se be ma so tifia enu enya de kese bia na se ne abe sore no ene ehia na me bai mi na me be kan me be sua de odi me ko school no ko bi do odi me ko school no me kan move me say when you fall down really no big deal but how you get up is where it's important. It is a kakra ba say emraba o man ho akire no obi anim say ni memu aiden ni ma aiden nya hanko a baby a me ba me na wonu ko anu ho a English abrochiro o si point du nunu manam di koto duane na otwe mi didi no system di point du nunu na enso e say point du anan bi baby a de ekosoro ni mom bi de esnibi the may be ana oban penny to fancy enra say o ka kire abrof ambassadors ni nyina wo Ghana onko share pediasi o ka kire o say we are going through some difficult times but we'll get out of it ye be film ni akoyanim ni akọ
difficulties ni bi the facing na avoidable ana
oh say the encounter can before him the power but say obi wuti wi asena ya bibia ho a obetimi aya obetimi akese ya avoidable say me say me tie na wa wonim tradition a wuti ne ma se ne otutu ntuma tina ho ya hu kram ka se jabe bia ti dachi ni enti bibi na se o kire me se bia nka ni si a na se ka me ko nifa na ka se o fa bi nkuma enke ya it means it's avoidable. Everything is avoidable in life. Nti bibi ni ya ne ya ye ne e bia anko ya e be hwen na mom adwuma ya ye no bema se me de me tenase na me hwe ayi tintintin mrante no twoba eni aban no twoba tini mamu aye no o mai bi na em se ni kan tani be kan no eni ya na aiden kakra anu odin no e bia ye ni bi psa na ni o maye mom de danu me hwe enkrata mom di brem ni ma ma yina na yenti yenti edu hwe mu na ne mum se o hwe a na adie kakraka se sidi no ahoɔden kɔ fam na ene ma mtima ne ma kɔ fam na fintima sikana sem ye basa kakra ekɔ yi IMF a nyame nchade a opani omampani se bosumi bidu awie de ne ogidi se yakana nyina bomu yie dia na yenti I mean yes some mistakes were made but we have to correct them. We are and nam ye school no na a teacher was say because to err is human was nipa here from ma
wohwe emabuna a ewo ho sisi a hu esum wo mumu and it is all about say mama so memra be mu na menya kakra mfa hwe me ne mabusua
na meka se eto da bia ya na emrante no ni mabawa no o gidi se ebi ampanifo no wo mu firi wo no mumra Debida President Kaunda or see what you cannot do is to buy experience. Incidentally, me call Zambia 5 years I was United Nations ambassador to Zambia. Kaunda see you cannot buy experience. And obi so say wa boni brave ye kakra no be no. Anu so bitimi akọ. Enu nkyere se emrante ni mabawa momumba. Ni mum they must learn.
Okay.
They must learn. Me say me basi na nyame adaroma. Fi bi wonu ho ebi so ha me de ne me pete me na ye dem digidin tem ade aboa tinti mabun no a eba no to mbe di nukure na di buo ama mpanimfo no a nti media ne ka ya me adwene se mabunu no ani nkokora ne mpanimfo no te no nyina ye nkamum entratu adwen ne hu senia ya ye de ma no ede ebekwa ni mu na mo so mu boa yen mo adwuma mo ye ne de me ebia mu hu sumboa mukura ade mukura no you have a lethal weapon in your hands ubetimia mo pese ade ambeka no ene ma no ye hwe ni happen wo Rwanda obi tragina ayisu mo ayisu e kasa no ya na obi ko fasika na sika na de ebra na ye wo secondary school 1957 mikai Kwame Nkrumah 1 o'clock on my commentary against the white people obia ye tie ye nyemi ye ko tie na wia one shall the first white man we meet in the street one shall the second be what see the African they out there drawers of water the hewers of food den Kwame Nkrumah na kasa
Hackman Owusu-Agyeman na etwetwe nkomo ye bagina ha na ye twan mu aba ye ba ebuja ye koya ya ba ye toa nkomo no so ewo aha ura MPP amanyokuo no mu a Council of Elders penyin na menene eti ha ye di nkomo no as to whether late or early Congress MPP say omu pese ye break 8 no oba break the 8 ye kasa ana say ade a mo betumi ayo
ade a e betumi aye is doable with the help of God ina mo anka saso ne mo be ye no ene be kire na say trouble ne primary senior no china ne political party de ya ye na mo ye ka bom mo ka mo adwin bom na mo hwe de mo hwe se ne mo ya mo be nya tumi me be to aba no french mo bi ansi obi tia Kwame Nkrumah time na ba ye de ayi ni busu a dua ho na ba ku sia yes wa na note ya tie ekoto a wa ko yes ye hu to wo wa ko no no me fi ja se me hu mi pen ne mo obi a to aba na hin ye de yi nkofo na eno na che se o mo asum se nyina sa na amanfo episode tu no na yen de no se yen se ye wo no enti se ne NDC for no wo no se yen say no we are working and fighting or struggling say ne be ya to maintain power NDC is fighting and struggling to
capture power
to win power. The two scenarios are different. Enti who can say ubisa me say about breaking the 8 no. Ye nyina na consensus. Ye nyina eno minim ni twi mom the consensus build a consensus. Agin to atoa no ase no na kire dia agin to atoa na ye tie ho ase. Eni ye de beko ye de be ma de beko anim. Enti say NDC vo agidi say wo mo se ne so mo ya MPP for fi say yes strategically no yes say the person ya say be na we will not be rushed by anybody. We have to get transi there to ano see hu obi o waka no no so ne o ha ani edusian kron ai betwem no ne ya tia hwifi ho abetum hadua sanso we have to learn some lessons from this. Yan learn lessons na say be na human enti yehu say ese etmase tie to adwene hu fa ko a ye ko to mo de we say o fi say me mu na eyema onom ko ya o mo ko yom de
but
tie hu say tam pese ye de emra say ye ko ye de no enso ye be ye de na mum enu na consultations.
Some members of parliament amu MPP tickets so edin komo na omo beka kire say wohwe senior parliamentary timetable no etie na say moko early congress na ebeboa mo esane say 1 nipa a mobekoko yi no so obetu franka de amanyuko no onye the sitting president obey a new face a also koto wohwe the history of the MPP no from omampanyin kufuo mpenso bi bepem nanado mpenso a anytime bi am beko late congress bi ano mo yi candidate a obe struggle be 2 times and so what me we need power enti sanka mo ko ni ntemo a eno beboa mo ama twuka no ebi amatumi asia no ebiom enso ne se mo mena kunu ni e kire se nipa mo peso mo tu franka no eburu nnumu a obeko super delegate conference ansana mo wi a nipa nnum a yebe yi won no omo akọ general conference no enti wohwe afie mu kopem 2024 a mo beko elections na anka mo ye ne ntemo a anka beboa
man na me can say aha no they be american before no what they are not they are no they think they are we will say me a strategist me we because me a democratic strategist republican strategist omotiase die se hwehwe niam nyina mu ni ehwe ade a mempede meka no mu nyina nim se omo parliament se ade a mempede na mempede. It's not that we want say there's a party no and wo MPs no so me can go from there's a party, there's a national party, there's a regional party, and there's a constituency party. Enti ye passe ye dey say you see timi sum ye dey Agyeman to aso. And so it's not what they want or anybody wants, that is what it is. But what would eventually lead to victory 2024 for MPPs? What's important? If you lose sight of that fact, you are bound to go into a ditch. Let us see, is this the way to go? What is it? That's what it is. The present situation is different. Absolutely different. If Japan, if Malaysia, if Singapore, if the same party, of course the people change. The same party now, I win power, development. Now you say, say, me start me fee, before me 5,250 affordable houses. Manis ke bi enfia ba ho poni ayi kakra say so ku kumasia ya FFC diabe de timbo ahia NDC for ba no ma jato enu ntinya one party to atimi to aso a enso boa e bia NDC for so dia o me ne ba enso ba enso jato ho both sides are guilty nti era ne me de medwin say Agyeman ayini de enya de a me kwa Owusu-Agyeman me pe na wo na so kan ho a wo pe ana inuanu e kan ho a pe na mum e de ne ya given the circumstances and the probabilities a woman no e de ne be ya betna yi nti e twin say abano kra sebio taking the argument obi kan absurd into absurd levels no ye tuno December and be me winner ahwe no ato and send be no said strategies no etnase ni adwene ho ye tutu enti say wo ma wo mahwe bedwem omunya abotre ni tutu ni mayi ye nya abotre ni atu ni mayi a because NDC for the situation different enti say obi we say ni can say obi ba ko if only one experience. Now, nothing has happened to change things so dramatically. In the situation, the same. I don't have to go into details, but then I'll be. When you pull the sword out of the scabbard, out of the sheath, it's no longer threatening. And the strategy or me can't. I see it me fear. Send a bear. Ebeboa na nyese ebia we se me pese me we part de nyese me ka se me pese me ye won so se o pese we se Europe ni so pese e se me pese we se na yetim hu na eye ya ne hu se United sa na eko trying to get some sort of consensus. Yeah, a bit if the mra if you don't learn lessons from the history, that's why history is important. Yeah. You will never make any progress. Back no twa mu no. Abanu a ye no. Etre bia, we say mimpewe, we say mimpewe, we say mimpewe. Ya koto na from what yare. The back when you say mimpewe, we say mimpewe in park. It goes forward. 19 yani GH mensanum second election, first election there, see a boycott here. Second election we're straight to 61. Yeah. From 61, because we worked together, we understood ourselves that Rocha by Emmanuel, they could force in power. So by the third day, we were in power. We were in power. If you say you say, I don't think say anybody should rush us. Let us give us time, look at it, analyze the situation, and see how best we can do it. And if we do that, impatience. Impatience, yeah, also. It's also statistics in
September, October, November, December, Congress.
Oh, see me there, me can say Owusu. Now me there, see me there. I happen to be only the chairman, and most of the time, Mutano Biakasani candidate na ya near Kambum. Na ranting parliamentary party on the Aba constituency, the Aba National Council, National Executive, na fi a problem by the National Council of Elders here. And from where I sit in there, and yeah, meet me akase, emriwe and emriwe. Owusu, akaka krebi na consensus ya bani hu pa be ya ni nyina adwen say politicians no ebi hu say this is the way to go. And no there Europe ni min can say September na October na say na book kind no, and don't put words into my mouth. Kenya there, it's not my prerogative, but it eventually no. No there is an issue which is on the front burner. We can say that that's true. Yeah,
yeah. Ushemwa, emfa ho se munye mie mu se amanfo be fan krata no. Ye hunu se obi ti se Alankojo chamanten. Na we trade minister or resign e de nani swade hu na ba betu dwa. Se wo pese wo be tu franka de mama nyoko no. Uhwe obi ti se gov't ababejo agric minister or resign ye ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne ade. You as an individual, as a member of the party, with the party nature, when you more abako semni ade. We share the course e wo Lagos on mekai pa de omampeniku fo kan ye nanado dankwa ye president yi enne de okan ye e wo Lagos. Ebra ye de abatuo ni nyina e ba ne wie ya. Safo ye omoyi muti. Hwan na wosusu se obatumi aboa MPP amanyoko no. Na multi break.
See, I come in Kabi democracy. Any idea, man. Me, Kwame, mint traha, and Cassie, we, and I say we, or as we see, and answer or binting. The moon mechanic say, near man for no, ebe, a dear tomb say, we necessary walk on, or nuna, one better abana mano. The 2 abana mano, when baku, a dear. Yina kabom dinechi. Yina kabom is very important. Yina kabom dinechi. It is say no. Na fa kwa miti kwa se ba se mi wo obi a sebi. Ene ka mi sebi mi don mpese okwa. Se enye se mi ebusia pani na mitia na mi ka se ngui na mi yi. Ne mum twa emre no dua. Na se pese ye ebi an reason. Wow. It's by negotiations oh. Tell baby I be no be negotiate with Marita. Because I said 1990, it was 1998 or something. I'm to make come TV, na me go focus up okay, me jai. No. Empty. And no dear, I cannot say we as Messi are now binting and na me dinechi there be da. Ni ebe kwa ye nyina ye omo eto aba no bet ye bet two. We support that person. And Nuna, we demand that of everybody. that position is not negotiable. That once we select a flag bearer, all of us, if you are a member and a genuine member of the party, you have to go along with it. That is democracy. Then no dey say omuti ase say nya dia because me dey ya anto ama we di me mpe we dey ya to amu bia ni ato ama no no onu ni di na chi ni no ko. And we are going to make sure that everybody conforms to what is there. I think there has been too much laxity in the party. Yeah, you have no you ato me janye ai sebi omina nya hemfu omina nsem omina nye adehye omina nye yen ma nya adehye nya hemfu ani na ma ye betimi ai ne pena. What the party decides, the party is supreme. Party na wo aban and the threat was na ekọ nti mi ka say obi ka say mi de ma nya nti David ni betu no te me mo abara metu a metu mini abana metu a mento de ni ebe tia ye be yi no onu na me ka kire MPP for say sie yi kwadwo sie yi kwasi sie yi adwoa sie yi abna onu ni ebe yi no onu ni ebe nyina bi na chi
nti wonya party for mpanyefo ni bi to say members of parliament ni mpanyefo ni bi o ma ba betwe mu kwa o ma sha say endorse candidates ahodo we yisi mitala na chi we yisi mitaba o mi chi we yisi mitaso mechi they are say no beka just mpanyefo.
Okay, let it be there obi to benyo bia endorse no, but eventually no what would ni bekasa any abano aye koto betu say be year na obi ye dia. I expect everybody, and the National Council of Elders expect everybody to fall in line. If you don't fall in line, this time round, no, when we say discipline, no, we have to be honest. We have to raise it.
Okay.
Another couple of bars. Near Sene Bayer, Bema. The party say near Qua, Honieko, won't be in the of so busy as well. Opposition party at two party. They move say NPP decide I can say nana dachi hini any dino kwa say or ye flag bearer dachi hini. Nobody else but dachi hini.
I was and I'm running club my idea to media in the family dachi hini and I was santi. Yankupon Adoma dasene the best at us. Would you?